Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the brand new episode of the Most Wanted Travel Series. From the last episode, you know that I have arrived here in Manila, the Philippines for business trip. The hotel I'm staying today is actually the Peninsula Manila. The Peninsula, it's a well-known brand around the world. The one in Hong Kong, it's so famous, right? A lot of movies actually filmed in that particular hotels, and it's a really iconic hotel, I would say, not just in the one in Hong Kong, but the one around the world as well. And same as well, the one in Manila right now, the one I'm staying in, it's also one of the most iconic hotels in the country. So I'm really excited to show you guys around the hotel. It's the first time I've been staying in this kind of, I would say, iconic hotel, iconic property, which a lot of histories, a lot of heritage within the building. So let me show you around the hotel. My office is actually located in Makati. I'm looking somewhere around the area so that I don't have to stuck in the traffic and spend too much time traveling. The building looks a little bit old and ages, but trust me, the services here are fantastic. I think it's one of the best I've experienced so far. I've been to so many places, I've been staying in so many hotels. The services here are really top notch. Overall, I think the service I'll rate 5 out of 5, right? It's really fantastic. The staff that you just pass through with them, they will greet you, make sure you are fine with your stay. They always go extra miles to ask you, is there anything you need and want from their services, so that make sure that you are always satisfied during your stay. The best part I like in this hotel is actually the lobby. The lobby is so grand, as you can see from the footage. So grand. They also serve afternoon tea, and they have a pianist playing live piano during the evening time as well, which is quite, I would say, quite elegant. Right, beside that, they also have a lot of facilities like the gym, the swimming pool. They also have sauna, which I experienced earlier. It was fantastic. I'll be staying here a total of 5 nights in the Peninsula Manila. Initially, when I'm looking at a hotel in Manila, I was a little bit hesitated to book this hotel because the photo from online, it looks a little bit old, I would say, because I usually prefer a much more modern properties and much more newer properties. Although the building looks a bit old, but I think during the COVID period, they did refurbish a little bit, repaint the walls and so on, especially within the room. As you can see, it's quite bright, it's quite new, I would say. It doesn't come with an odor as well, so I guess it's a well-maintained property, right? Although the design of the room and the design of the property, it's a little bit outdated, but the technology they are using within the room, it's quite surprisingly updated. They have a lot of buttons and switches which connect to your phone using Wi-Fi, which is quite surprised to see, I would say, right? Another thing I like, it's the breakfast selections. It's really good, right? They don't just make sure that the selection, it's a lot of varieties. They also make sure that each of the dishes or each of the cuisine, right, it's tastes really good as well. So they offer a wide selections of different cuisine. For example, they have bread, they have Western, they have Filipino, they have also Asian such as Chinese and also Japanese as well. So if you stay here, definitely book with the breakfast options, because trust me, you will really love and enjoy the breakfast here. Overall, I think I really have a fantastic stay, 5-night stay here. There's no regret staying here for 5 nights. I'm definitely looking forward for my next trip here again, right? So guys, that's all for my review. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I really hope that if you consider looking for a place to stay here in Manila, do consider Peninsula Manila if it's within your budget. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for our next series. We don't know where we're gonna go yet, but definitely we are planning something, right? There are some places we wanted to visit. It's already in our list, so we are trying to find time, to travel and also to make videos and have our travel vlog for you guys. So stay tuned for the next series, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.